Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to design a professional dashboard in Looker Studio. Step by step, beginner-friendly, and updated for 20 to 26. If your dashboards work but don't look polished or client-ready, this guide will help you fix that. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, open an existing report or click Create, then Report. A professional dashboard always starts with a clean foundation. Next, focus on layout. Use a simple grid structure and keep related charts together. Place key metrics at the top using scorecards, things like users, revenue, or conversions. This gives viewers instant context, so they know what matters right away. Now choose the right charts. Use line charts for trends, bar charts for comparisons, and tables for detailed data. Avoid using too many chart types on one page. Consistency is what makes a dashboard feel professional. Let's talk about colors. Pick one main color and one accent color, then stick to them. Avoid bright or random colors. Neutral backgrounds with soft contrast make data easier to read and easier on the eyes. Next, clean up labels and titles. Every chart should have a clear title that explains what the viewer is looking at. Rename metrics and dimensions so they make sense to non-technical users. Honestly, this makes a huge difference. Make the dashboard interactive but not crowded. Add a date range control and one or two filter controls like channel or region. Too many filters can confuse users. Now, align everything neatly. Resize charts so edges line up. Add spacing between sections and use text boxes for section headers. Small details like alignment make your dashboard look polished. Before sharing, click View to preview the dashboard. Check readability, spacing, and mobile view if needed. Finally, click Share and give view access to your team or clients. And that's how to design a professional dashboard in Looker Studio in 2026. Clean, clear, and client-ready. If this guide helped you, please like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next